We're gonna do a cabin filter in a 2022 Kia Sorento. Go ahead and disconnect the damper first. What you do is pull it, it snaps right off. Then we're gonna go ahead and push the glove box in, get it past these stoppers that you have here. You're gonna wanna put some pressure on the glove box when you do this, because we're trying to lower it. You might have to go back and forth with it a couple times. Let's keep the pressure on the box until it comes down. Okay, there you go. Come down low enough for you to be able to take off this lid right here. To do that, we're gonna squeeze these tabs, pull it like that. Here's our filter. We got a factory filter in here. You can notice that it says airflow is down, so when we get our new filter, we want to install it the same way. This one is filthy dirty. Whew. Here's our new filter. You can flip it over where the arrows are pointing down for airflow. If you want to get yourself a new filter, you want to get it on Amazon, there's a link down in the description box and in the comments where you can get one from Amazon if you want. Check that out. It'll be the right one for this car. Make sure we put this in the correct way. Should fit in where it's flush, okay? Left side goes in like this. Click it in here like that. Should click and lock. Again, you want to make sure that the airflow is pointed down. Get the glove box, just close it. Get the damper, snap it back on here, and you're good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. And be so kind to subscribe.